Yeah, hi, this is Dinesh Kumar and you are watching Oracle videos. In the current session we are discussing about joins. What are joins? See, joins are two types. One is physical join and one is logical join. Physical join in the sense already we have completed implementing physical relationship between the tables. How can I implement physical relationship? By using referential integrity constraints. We are implementing physical relationship. See here, let me categorize two types of joins. Joins are two types. First one is physical join and then logical joins. Physical join and logical joins. What is a physical join? What is a logical join? See, physical join means implementing relation between two tables. Implementing relation between two tables. This is called as physical join. So, how can I implement physical relation between the tables? Let us take, here is a table, table 1 and here is a table 2. Okay, in the first table here I am taking primary key. By using primary key, you are implementing foreign key in the second table. This is the foreign key. Okay, this is called as physical relation between two tables. How can I implement this? By using integrity constraints. Integrity constraints. This is also called as referential integrity constraint. Referential integrity constraint. Okay, yeah, this is permanent. Remember that. Then what is a logical join? See, logical joins again two types. Logical joins again two types. See, that is to get combined data and to get combination of data. Combined data and here combination of data. Combination of data. What is combined data? That we have finished in the last session or before last session. By using set operators, we are getting combined data. And what is the combination of data? Here we have multiple joins are there. What are the joins? Let us see here. Cross join, equijoin, inner join and outer joins. So these are logical joins, and also self join is there. Yeah, let me list out that one. Self join, and after that outer joins. Outer joins. Here outer joins again three types. One is left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Full outer join. Remember. Okay, these are the logical joins. So now we are discussing about logical joins. Remember, physical join already we done with this one. By using integrity constraints, how to implement physical relation between the tables. And this is logical join, but by using set operators. Here you are getting only same data type of data. Same data type of data. Same data type of data. And you need to select same number of columns. Same number of columns from each table. Here different data types of data. You can get different data types of data. Different data types of data. And you are taking data from multiple tables. That is also with different data types and different number of columns. Different number of columns you can select from each table. This is called as joins. Now, what is a join? how it look likes. Yeah, so have a look at this. Joins are two types, physical join and logical join. Physical join means implementing relation between two tables is known as physical join. Here the physical join is implementing foreign key by using primary key of other table. This is permanent. If you want to delete it, yes, you can delete also. Simply if you remove foreign key column, automatically physical join will be removed. Logical join, getting data from multiple tables. What is a logical join? Means getting data from multiple tables. Again, two types. One is getting same data type of data and same number of columns from multiple tables. This is called as a one kind of logical join. That should be done by using set operators. Set operators will display combined data from multiple tables. Another one is getting different data types of data from different tables. Getting different data types of data from different tables. That is called as join, one of the logical join. Okay, now we are discussing about how to get different data types of data from different tables and also with different number of columns from each table. That is, what are the join types? Cross join, equijoin, inner join, self join and outer joins. Okay, let me discuss about what is cross join. Yeah, let me remove this part. Now see, what is a cross join? What is cross join? Cross join is called as Cartesian product. Cross join is called as Cartesian product. See, this was implemented from set theory. In mathematics we have a set theory. So from one set the values mapping with other set. How they are mapping? Let us see. What is a cross join? Before that, let me take two tables. Here I am taking company table. Okay, company table and product table I am taking. Company ID, company name. Two columns. Okay, CMP1, CMP2. It is Sony and Philips. Two companies. Here product ID, product name, cost of the product and cost of the product, after that manufacturing date. So many columns are there. Warranty, that depends on your domain. You can maintain the list of columns. Description of product. At last I am maintaining company ID. Remember, here let me change it as CMP ID. Okay, so in company table CMP ID is the primary key. Okay, now see, in product table let us assume I have the products P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. 5 products I am considering. Let me wipe out this. Here we are discussing about cross join. What is cross join? Cross join is called as Cartesian product. What is the Cartesian product? Before that, let me take the sample table. So product name, it's a mobile, LCD TV, LED TV, here home theater, smart watch. These are the different products. Let us say mobile is from CMP1, LCD TV is from CMP1, LED is also from CMP1, home theater is from CMP2 and smartwatch is from CMP1. Assume that. Now here in product table company ID is foreign key. In product table company ID is foreign key. Now what is meant by Cartesian product? See, Cartesian product means you are getting data from multiple tables by using joins. Cartesian product means combination of data between the tables. Combination of data between tables. Remember, combination of data between tables. What is combination? Let us consider, let me take a set A is A, B, C, D. Before going to table, let me explain with the simple sets. B is equal to 10, 20. Remember, so this is table A, this is table B. If you apply Cartesian product, A cross B is equal to, see, A10 and A20, comma, B10 and B20. Next, C10 and C20 and D10 and also D20. What is the meaning of this? It is called as Cartesian product. If you apply Cartesian product between two tables, from the first table, each value is mapped with all values in the second table. Each value is mapped with all values in second table. Okay. So according to that, we are getting these many number of combinations. Here A is mapped with 10 and also mapped with 20. B is also 10, 20. C is also 10, 20. D is also mapped with 10, 20. So totally how many number of combinations you are getting? In A cross B, for each value 2 combinations. Here how many number of values from first set? 4 into number of values in the second set? 2. 8 combinations you will get. But according to business scenario, this is the wrong output. It is not valid output. So you have valid combinations as well as invalid combinations. How they are valid, how they are invalid? Let us see what you are saying. Let me draw the sets again. A, B, C, D. This is set 1 and 10, 20. This is set 2. A mapping with 10, 20. B mapping with 10, 20. C mapping with 10, 20. D is also mapping with 10, 20. Right. If you think generally, let us assume these are department numbers. Okay. These are employee names or employee names, anything. So at a time one employee works under one department, but here you are saying A is working under 10 and also A is working under 20. Similarly, B is working under 10, B is also working under 20. So means for each value in the first set there are 2 combinations. For each value from the first set you have 2 combinations. In that 2 combinations, one combination is valid, second one is invalid. One combination is valid. Let us assume A is working under 10, then A20 combination is invalid. B is working under 10, then B is working under 20 is invalid. Okay. So cross join will display all possible combinations. Cross join will display all possible combinations. So listen, cross join display all possible combinations. All possible combinations. But in these combinations, some combinations are valid and also invalid combinations. So finally in your output you have valid plus invalid combinations. So how can I get only valid combinations? By using Equijoin. By using Equijoin. Similarly, if you apply cross join between company and respective product, then 2 into 5, 10 combinations you will get. So mobile is from Sony, mobile is from Philips. And so LCD TV is from Sony, LCD is also from Philips. But according to physical data, LCD is from company 1, only from Sony 1. LCD is not from Philips. Okay, how to verify this? This join condition verification we will done under Equijoin. Remember, cross join will display valid combinations and also invalid combinations. So that's why we have to use join condition. Before that, in which case cross join will display valid combination only. There is only one case. In many to one mapping, so in which case we will get only valid combination. If you are mapping many records from table 1, I am mapping many records, okay, with only one record. So in many to one cases, cross join will display valid combination of data. How it is? Yeah. Before that, let me write what is the cross join query syntax. So I think you understand this one. If you apply cross join between two sets, then each value from first set is mapped with all values in second set. In the final output, you are having valid combinations as well as invalid combinations. How to remove invalid combinations? By using Equijoin. Let me wipe out this and let me explain in which case we will get valid combination by using cross join. Let us say you have a table, okay, from here you are having multiple products are there, multiple companies are there, and also we have a table is there that is called as a discount table. The name of the table is discount. So discount ID, DID, and discount name, okay, and discount percentage. Discount ID, discount name, discount percentage. Discount 1, discount 2, discount 3. Discount name, so this is low level discount and medium level discount and higher level discount. Discount percentage, minimum 5% or minimum level discount. And here higher level discount place is maximum discount, and 15% discount, 25% discount. Let me apply like this. Let us assume in product table we have 10 LCD TVs are there, okay, 10 LCD TVs and 10 LED TVs. For all LCD and LED TVs there is a discount 15%. Means along with the product details, LCD TV details as well as LED TV details are mapping with only one record in the second table, that is called as 15% discount. So 10 LCD and 10 LED for 20 products, what is the discount is displaying along with the 20 products? 15% discount. Means taking multiple records from one table, all multiple records are mapping with only one record, that is D2. In such a case, cross join will display valid combination of data. Before that, what is the syntax of cross join query? Syntax of cross join query is select whatever the data you want to select from. You are selecting data from multiple tables. Here the table 1, okay, and comma table 2 and so on. And you can also use where condition, and you can also use order by clause according to your requirement. Remember that. Simple. We are not specifying any join condition since it is a cross join. Just you are selecting data from multiple tables, and from table 1 comma table 2 comma table 3 and so on, where you can specify filter conditions and also order by so and so table data, right? Yeah. Now here let me write two queries. One is mapping all products with all companies. Yeah, see here, select, I am selecting individual products. Select product name, comma, cost of the product, comma, company ID of the product. Here you have a problem, company ID, comma, company name. Okay, from what are the tables here? Product table you are selecting and company table you are selecting. So I am not specifying any condition. So whenever you are trying to execute this query, it will display error message. What is the problem here? The problem is you are selecting, in your select list there is a common column. In your select list there is a common column. If you specify common column name, then Oracle Engine is having a confusion to display from which table I have to take this column. In product details we have the column. In company details also we are having same column. Then it will be confused from which table it has to take CMP ID values. So if you are selecting individual columns from individual tables, then definitely you must specify like this. Either you can use table name dot common column name, table name dot common column name, or you can use alias names, table name dot common column name at this place. So at this place finally what we have to substitute? I want to take the value from CMP table. So company dot COMP CMP ID, company dot CMP ID. Then what is happening? It will display, it will take the value from company table. CMP ID value is taking from company table. There is no problem for the Oracle Engine to select the data, right? Remember this. Now, what is alias names? Generally, whenever you are selecting data from multiple tables in the live environment, they will maintain temporary alias names for the tables. So how they are maintaining temporary alias names? See here. Let me take another example. See, with alias names, how should I select the data? So here these aliases are temporary. Remember that. These aliases are temporary. Select. See, for the product I am using alias name P. P dot P name, comma, P dot cost, comma, P dot warranty, let us assume, comma, C dot CMP ID. C is the alias name for company table. C dot CMP name or C name from, what are the tables here? Product table. What is the alias name you are using? P. And company table. What is the alias name you are using? C. If you are using alias names, then you must specify alias name after the table name under from class. After from keyword you are specifying table names. After table name you must specify respective alias name, not only P. If you want to take it as XY, yes, you can consider. If you want to take it as PD and CD, yes, you can consider. If you want to take it as AB, yes, you can consider. Any valid Oracle name you can specify as alias name. Remember that. Okay. So in any case, you are selecting data from product table and you are selecting data from company table. Then each record from product table mapped with all records in company table. Each record from product table mapped with all records in company table. How many number of records? Each record mapping twice. P1 is mapping twice with two companies. P2 is mapping twice with two companies. Similarly, P3, P4, P5. So 5 into 2 companies. 5 products into 2 company records. 5 into 2, 10 combinations you are getting here. But at a time, one product is from one company. At a time, one product is from one company. In such a case, one combination is valid, another combination is invalid. How can I remove that invalid data? Yes, invalid combinations are controlled by using Equijoin. Remember that. But I told you at the end of the discussion, if you consider product and discount, and if you are trying to mapping many records with only one record in the discount, simple. very simple logic, don't think too much. Say here, multiple TVs are there. For all TVs, I am applying only one discount. So 100 TVs are there in your business outlet. For all 100 TVs, you are applying only one discount. The discount is 15%. So 100 TVs, 100 records are mapping with only one discount information. 100 records are mapping with only one discount information. That is called as D2. Means this record and this record here, according to our data, first LCD TV and LED TV both are mapping with only one record, D2. So in many to one cases, cross join will display valid combination of data. How should I write it? Let us see. Okay, here you are selecting only television data. Let us see. Let me continue the same query where product.pname is equal to, or it is a TV, maybe whatever the TV it is, CRT, LCD, LED, plasma, any TV. So product name like operator I am using, and percentage, at last we have a word TV, and product name like where p.pname like so and so, and what is the another condition? So you are selecting discount information from second table. Yeah, discount information. So let us say d dot star from discount table, alias name D. So d dot did, discount ID, is equal to D2. Before getting the combination of data, it will take only TV information from first table. All TVs are mapped with only one record, that is matched with the second condition D2. So 100 records are matching with only D2. In these cases, it will display valid combination of data. But this kind of output you will get by using Equijoin also. But cross join also, some cases it will display valid combination of data. Remember? Yeah. Now, what is Equijoin? Let me finish about Equijoin also, then we will move into hands-on part. What is Equijoin? Listen carefully. What is Equijoin? So Equijoin is also a cross join. Equijoin is also a cross join, but cross join with join condition. Cross join with join condition is called as Equijoin. A cross join is known as Equijoin if we specify join condition by using equal to operator. A cross join query is known as Equijoin query if you specify join condition by using equal to operator. So how should I see what is a join condition? Join condition should be specified table dot primary key is equal to table dot foreign key. This is called as a join condition. Remember that. Within the query, what is a join condition? Join condition should be specified between common columns. Generally, common columns are primary key from one table and also foreign key from another table. Remember, this is a common column. These two, common column between two tables. Some people can argue with me, without primary key and foreign key, I have a common column in the table. Can I write a join condition based on that? Yes, you can write. All we need is common column. At least one common column should be there to write the join condition. Remember that. Don't expect there should be primary key, there should be foreign key. Suppose according to my business requirement, in one table I have a foreign key, in another table I have another foreign key. Both are common columns in between these two tables. Can I write a join condition on that? Yes, you can write. All you need is one common column. Remember that. Okay. What is the query syntax? Let me write the syntax here. Select your data, whatever the data, from table 1, table 2, where here you can write filter conditions, and after that you need to write join condition. So how should I write the join condition? Based on common column, and optionally you can also use order by class. Optionally you can use order by class. Remember, first you need to specify filter condition, then only we need to specify join condition. What is a join condition here? Let us say table 1 dot primary key is equal to table 2 dot foreign key, or table 1 dot foreign key is equal to table 2 dot primary key. Right? All we need is common column between two tables to write a join query. See, first it will filter the data, then it will apply join, then only you have the highest performance. Most of the students are having one problem. They are writing the query and they are getting required output in the live environment. They are getting the required output according to client requirement, but the client is not accepting it. Why they are not accepting? So they will be confused. Yes, I am getting the output, but why the people are not accepting? The problem is here. So many people writing join condition first and filter condition next. In such cases, performance of the query will be degraded. Don't do like that. First filter the data. Let us say 100 records in one table, 10 records in another table. You are writing join condition. Then 1000 comparisons has to be made, each value verified with 10 values. 1000 comparisons it is making, and if you have any filter condition on this table, then it is performing 100 comparisons again. Then totally 1100 comparisons it is making. Suppose if you first filter the data, okay, after filter condition I have only 20 records. So 100 comparisons happening under filter condition, okay, and after that 20 into 10. So 20 into 10, this is a join condition, 200 comparisons. 200 plus 100 comparisons. How many number of comparisons after filter? Only 300 comparisons. Before filter, if you apply join condition, then it will be number of comparisons. This is very, very important. If the table data is exceeding 10,000 records, under one table 10,000 records are there, under another table there is some hundreds or thousands of records are there. In such cases, if you change the order of filter condition and join condition, in such a cases performance will play a crucial role at that point. So first apply filter condition, then only apply join condition. Let us see, I want to display product name and company name. According to our table data, I want to display product name and company name. Manually, what is the process? Don't by heart any query. Just see, what is the manual process? Yes, I want to display this product name, mobile. And next, I want to display respect to company name. Then manually, what are your steps? You can verify what is the company. Just you are having common columns. Yes, in that case also you can write. So then what is happening internally? Go to product table. Take the first product company ID. Take the first product company ID. That company ID verified with here CMP1 equal to CMP1 matched. This is matching record and this is matched record, right? Okay, from the matching and matched records it will take this value. From the product table it is taking product name, okay, mobile, and from the company table it will take Sony. So your first output is mobile and this is from Sony. Next, go to second product. From the second product in the product table, what is the company code? CMP1. CMP1 equal to CMP1 again. So what is the product name? LCD TV. And here what is the company name? Sony. Next product, LED TV. So this is also from company 1. So Sony. Next, home theater. This is from company 2. Home theater. This is from company 2. So CMP2 not equal to CMP1. Here CMP2 equal to CMP2. So matching record and matched record. So home theater, and it will display Philips. Next, smartwatch. Then it will display again Sony. Remember this. This is the expected output from your join query. Before displaying the combination of data, you can check join condition. If you check the join condition, then it will display only valid combination of data. There is no invalid combination according to your physical data. This is physical data and this is logical output. The logical output should satisfy according to physical data. Remember that. This is called as Equijoin. Okay, let me discuss about hands-on part on cross join as well as on Equijoin.